Hello and welcome to this video on how to write an appendix. In this video, we'll discuss what an appendix is, why it's important, and how to write one effectively. Let's get started. An appendix is a section that appears at the end of a document, containing additional information that supports the content of the main document. It's an optional section, but it can be incredibly helpful for readers who want a deeper understanding of the topic. There are several reasons why you might want to include an appendix in your document. For example, you might have supporting data that you want to include, but it would break up the flow of the main document. Or, you might want to provide additional background information that would be too lengthy to include in the main document. An appendix can include a variety of information, such as graphs, charts, tables, or additional data. It can also include letters, graphs, charts, or supporting documents that provide more context. The most important thing to remember is that the information in the appendix should support the content of the main document. When writing an appendix, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. Label each appendix clearly and consistently. Make sure the information included in the appendix is relevant and supports the main content of your report or essay. Use headings and subheadings to make it easy for readers to find the information they are looking for. Keep the format and style consistent with the rest of your report or essay. Keep the appendix concise and avoid including unnecessary information. Now, let's look at a few student-friendly examples of appendices to get a better idea of how they work. A student includes a chart in their appendix to show the results of a survey they conducted. The chart is labeled as Appendix A, Survey Results, and is accompanied by a brief explanation of what the chart represents. Another student includes a map in their appendix to show the location of the research site. The map is labeled as Appendix B, Map of Research Site, and is accompanied by a brief explanation of the significance of the location. And that's it. By following these best practices and including relevant information, you can write an effective and helpful appendix that supports your main document. Thank you for watching.